Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can block ads on Facebook app. Very easy guys, very simple. Let me launch the Facebook app and let's find an ad we want to block. For example, over here we're having Bloomberg sponsored ad, okay? So there's two ways that we can actually do about it. You can click on the three dots on the top of the actual post and you will have an option first of all to simply hide the ad, which means that there is a high chance you're not gonna see anymore this particular ad. But this doesn't mean that you're not gonna see any more ads from Bloomberg, right? So for example, what if you don't care about Bloomberg, right? What if you don't want to see anything anymore from Bloomberg? All you gotta do is to click on the Bloomberg profile, and then you want to go ahead, click on the three dots on the profile, and then you want to click block. This is how you're going to block not only this current ad from Bloomberg but any future ads as well. This simply means that this is how you protect yourself from seeing any more ads and you blocking the ads from the accounts that you don't care about, okay? This is how simple it is. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and come back for more.